Hey guys, your girl little baby Angela coming back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to try to attempt to do my hair. We're going to see how this comes out because I am not a hairstylist. I don't know how to do hair. I am not good at doing hair. We're just going to attempt to try to. I'm going to get into the video. Okay, so if you see me looking down, it's because the mirror that I am using is right under y'all. So I'm gonna look right here. We're gonna start off with, okay, so we're gonna be doing this, like we're gonna braid half of it and then put it up and then put fake hair. It's just gonna be this, just get into it. It's difficult to talk about, just gonna get into it. So we're gonna start off, I just washed my hair, so it's freshly washed. So I brushed it and my hair is like straight but like wave, like creases right here. So it's like not cute. So we're gonna start off with parting our hair. So we're gonna part it, okay. Try to demonstrate this, okay. You're gonna part it right here, go down to your ear right there. Like that, but like make sure it's straight. As straight as possible. If you hear noises, it's because I am in the living room where everyone's at, so yeah. So that's gonna be like as straight as I'm gonna get it. I don't have a clip, so that's gonna suck. I'm just gonna put this in the chongo. You can tie it off so it just doesn't get into, and then you're gonna do the same thing with the other side, like that. Try to make sure it's even. If it's not even, it's okay, but just wanted to get it as even as possible. So I'm just gonna twist this off. And put it into another drawer. That's what you gotta do when you don't have clips. So after that, you're gonna put this hair back because you don't need it. You need it out your face and out your way. Just kind of brush it. So I put it normally in a ponytail just to get it out the way so it's not messing up with all the braiding. Okay, so after that's like that, you can take these off. Okay. Just brush, when you're braiding, you want to brush it because it's going to make it a lot more easier. So what I do, how I do my braids like this, I start off with my middle part. Like that, I'll start off like that, and I'm going to put some gel. I'm going to use this Echo Style Professional Gel. Open it. So what I do when I part it in the middle, because I don't want it to mix, because I have like my baby hairs right here just go crazy. Do it like that. And then I get this like little baby hair brush that I got. I dip it a little bit and just kind of make the hair stay like that. So now, okay, so this is where I get when I part it in the middle, because I like my middle to be party right here. And then I'll section off 3, so I'll do 6 total braids. And I have my little chonguitos right here, the little rubber band thingies. So what you do is you're going to part. So I'll part a section, and I'll put it in a rubber band so it can stay. I'll put it in a rubber band so it can stay, just so it's not in my way. Okay, and then we're gonna part. We're gonna part it until we have 3 sections. Okay, so I just put them in little sections so I could part them off, because it makes it easier with life. And I left one section because I'm gonna start from this section. So I'm gonna be using this hair I got this at honestly I don't even know. I got it at my local beauty store, and I think I spent like $2. I got 2 packages, but I put the other package in the back because my mom was complaining about the space. So basically, so it's like this like red burgundy color. I don't know, but I'm gonna braid it into my braids so my hair looks fuller and thick. So I'm gonna get my fake hair. I'm gonna like section them off into thin pieces because you don't really need it to be that thick because they're thin braids. So probably about this thin. Just gonna section them off so I could braid it in. I just part it however I think it needs to be parted. So I'll put the rest up there. So I have my little sections. I don't know how many it's gonna take, so I just did 4 sections. So what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna braid it. I like to do them where they go curved up. I don't know. That's how I do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the 2 and then put my fingers there and then go bring it under. And you gotta do it kind of tight. Okay. So after you do it once, you want to add a section of hair. Oh no, don't do that. So I'm gonna add this section of hair into between my pointer, and then I'm gonna wrap it around my middle, and then add hair into it so it can kind of like fold into that. So a lot of people are going back to school already, and I think it's so crazy. I felt like summer just started, but it's already ending. That's crazy. I feel like time has been going by so fast. Okay, so I just finished braiding them. So now, I'm just gonna take off my ponytail. Oh, it feels so good. The best feeling is to take off your hair. So I'm gonna do my baby hairs. We're gonna do my baby hairs. So first what we're gonna do is we're going to kind of brush them out. With the XOXO.Angela gel and with my little baby hair brush. And we're just gonna dip it a little bit. And just kind of swoopy. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. It looks decent. And then we're gonna do this other side. After that's kind of okay. It kind of looks weird, but it's okay. I'm gonna be going in with the Garnier Fructis Style Extreme Gel. Extreme Hold. And I'm gonna spray just so they can stay. Ooh, I sprayed my eyelashes. And fan it just so I can stay. And then we're gonna get into the fun part. The part that I hope goes right. Because if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna look dumb. So we're gonna basically. Okay, so I'm gonna take these thingies I have right here. Kind of push them up. Just so they get on my way. Okay. And you're gonna get your brush and just make sure you brush through. You're gonna put it as high as you want it. You don't want to put gel. So I'm just gonna dip it, this like soft brush, into my gel thing and slick all the hairs that I don't want up. And then when I get to this, I'm going to put it into a ponytail. But like just this first. And then I'm going to add these into it. I'm gonna leave it like this. That's how I'm gonna do it. But I need to kind of trim it because my extra hair that I have, like these, like you see this hair right here, like it's just hanging. So I'm gonna trim it. You kind of want to texture it because you don't want it to look all like straight. Sometimes, like one time I cut my hair like that and it looked all straight and it did not look cute. So you do that. You could straighten your hair, but my hair's already kind of straight, so I don't want to. So then you brush it. And then you could just, what I like to do is I'll get like a hair from back here. And we're just gonna wrap it around. And I do that, then it kind of gives you that look. So normally, like, cause my baby hairs never really stay, so I put more gel just so they could stay. Cause they always be acting so extra, so extra. So this is how you accomplish this hairstyle. Basically, I don't know what you call it. It's like half up, half, well, it's all up, but it's half braided ponytail hair with like red in it. I like it. I do this hairstyle, but I never add the red. But I really like it because I think it's cute. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any more video ideas you would like me to do, because it will help me out with video ideas. And if you are, or if you aren't, make sure you subscribe and click that button so you get a reminder every single time that I post another video. But this is the end of this video, and I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers and all my viewers that watch my video, and the people who like them, and all my new subscribers. Yeah, comment down below any videos that you would love for me to do, because I have some video ideas, but like I don't know if it would be interesting to watch because they're kind of boring. But this was the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. So I'm gonna give you a heads up. She's making fun. Okay, now we have ghosts in our house. So now we have ghosts in our house because our house is making noise.